The James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, is not just another telescope. It's a marvel of engineering, a testament to human ingenuity. With its massive golden mirror and advanced instruments, JWST sees what no telescope has seen before. It peers into the distant past, capturing light that has traveled for billions of years. This light carries secrets, whispers of the early universe. It holds clues to the formation of galaxies, the birth of stars, and perhaps even the origins of life itself. The universe is vast, a tapestry of stars, galaxies, and mysteries yet unknown. JWST is our newest, most powerful tool to explore it. With JWST, we are no longer simply looking at the universe. We are listening to its ancient stories, deciphering its cryptic messages. We are embarking on a journey of discovery that promises to reshape our understanding of our place in the cosmos. The seeds of JWST were planted in the early 1990s. The Hubble Space Telescope, launched in 1990, had already begun to revolutionize astronomy, but scientists and engineers dared to dream bigger. They envisioned a telescope even more powerful than Hubble, one that could see further into space and time. This ambitious vision required groundbreaking technology. JWST's primary mirror, a key component for gathering light, needed to be much larger than Hubble's. It had to be deployed in space, a complex feat of engineering. New, highly sensitive instruments were needed to detect and analyze the faint light from the early universe. The development of JWST was a long and arduous journey. It faced technical challenges, delays, and budgetary constraints. But the dream persisted, fueled by the passion and dedication of thousands of scientists, engineers, and technicians around the world. One of the primary goals of JWST is to observe the first galaxies that formed after the Big Bang. These early galaxies are shrouded in the mists of time, their light stretched and weakened by billions of years of cosmic expansion. To see these faint objects, JWST is optimized to observe infrared light. This type of light, invisible to the human eye, can penetrate clouds of dust and gas that obscure our view of the early universe. By studying these early galaxies, astronomers hope to answer fundamental questions about the evolution of the universe. How did galaxies form and evolve over cosmic time? What were the properties of the early universe? What role did dark matter and dark energy play in shaping the cosmos? JWST promises to provide unprecedented insights into these cosmic mysteries. JWST is often described as a time machine and a cosmic detective. It allows us to look back in time, observing light that has been traveling for billions of years. This light carries information about the state of the universe when it was emitted, providing a snapshot of the distant past. Like a cosmic detective, JWST analyzes this light, piecing together clues to understand the events that unfolded in the early universe. It studies the composition of stars and galaxies, probes the atmospheres of exoplanets, and investigates the mysterious nature of black holes. Its powerful instruments allow us to measure the expansion of the universe, study the formation of stars and planetary systems, and search for signs of life beyond Earth. With each observation, JWST unravels a new layer of the cosmic tapestry, revealing the intricate workings of the universe. Unsettling discoveries, images that haunt the soul. While the James Webb Space Telescope has already provided stunning images of distant galaxies and nebulae, some of its recent observations have been more unsettling. These images, kept under tight wraps by NASA, have sparked concern and speculation within the scientific community. The images, reportedly showing strange structures and anomalies in deep space, have yet to be released to the public. Some whisper of massive, unknown objects moving against the backdrop of distant galaxies. Others speak of energy signatures that defy current scientific understanding. The details remain shrouded in secrecy, fueling rumors and conspiracy theories. What do these images mean? Are they simply artifacts of the telescope's instruments, or do they hint at something more profound, something that challenges our understanding of the universe? Rethinking our place. The universe might be stranger than we imagined. These unsettling discoveries, if confirmed, have the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the universe. They suggest that the cosmos might be far stranger and more complex than we ever imagined. The implications are profound, shaking the foundations of our scientific knowledge and our place in the grand scheme of things. For centuries, humanity has looked to the stars with a sense of wonder and a thirst for knowledge. We have sought to understand our place in the universe, to unravel the mysteries of our existence. But what if the universe is not what we thought it was? What if our current understanding is merely a glimpse into a reality far grander and more terrifying than we ever dared imagine? The answers, when they come, may not be comforting. They may challenge our deepest beliefs and force us to confront the true nature of our existence. Are we alone? The question that keeps us up at night. The possibility of the unknown has always captivated the human imagination. Are we alone in the universe, or do other forms of intelligent life exist out there, hidden among the stars? It is a question that has haunted us for millennia, driving our explorations and fueling our dreams. The recent discoveries by the James Webb Space Telescope add a new layer of complexity to this age-old question. If these anomalies are evidence of advanced extraterrestrial civilizations, what does that mean for humanity? Are we witnessing the activities of benevolent explorers or the machinations of powerful, potentially hostile entities? The silence of the cosmos has been deafening, but what if that silence is about to be broken? What if we are on the verge of a discovery that will change everything? The possibility is both exhilarating and terrifying. The unsettling discoveries by the James Webb Space Telescope have ignited a new sense of urgency within the scientific community. Telescopes around the world are being retasked, their sensitive instruments focused on the regions of space where these anomalies have been observed. Teams of scientists are working tirelessly, analyzing data, developing new theories, and planning follow-up observations. The stakes have never been higher. The future of humanity may depend on our ability to understand the true nature of these discoveries. The search for answers is underway, a global effort involving the brightest minds and the most advanced technology available. It is a race against time, a quest for knowledge that may determine the fate of our species. The future of humanity hangs in the balance as we grapple with the implications of these unsettling discoveries. If these anomalies represent advanced extraterrestrial civilizations, their intentions remain unknown. Are they a threat to our existence, or could they offer the potential for collaboration and advancement? The unknown is a double-edged sword, offering both incredible opportunity and unimaginable danger. Humanity stands at a crossroads. The choices we make today, the actions we take in response to these discoveries, will shape the destiny of our species. We must proceed with caution, but also with a sense of purpose and a willingness to embrace the unknown. Despite the uncertainty and potential danger, these discoveries also offer a glimmer of hope. They remind us that the universe is a vast and mysterious place, full of wonder and possibilities yet to be explored. They ignite our imaginations, pushing us to expand our understanding of what is possible. What lies beyond the realm of our current knowledge? What secrets are hidden within the fabric of space-time? The universe is an endless frontier beckoning us to explore its hidden depths. We are at the dawn of a new era of cosmic exploration, an era where the boundaries of knowledge are being redrawn. The discoveries of the James Webb Space Telescope are just the beginning, a tantalizing glimpse into a reality far stranger and more wondrous than we ever imagined. The universe is a place of both breathtaking beauty and unimaginable terror. As we peer deeper into the cosmos, we must be prepared to confront both. The discoveries of the James Webb Space Telescope have unveiled a universe far more complex and enigmatic than we ever thought possible. We stand on the precipice of a new understanding, a new era of exploration and discovery. The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear. The universe is full of surprises, and humanity's journey of exploration is far from over. Are we safe? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, the journey to find out will be the greatest adventure in human history.